Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal Business Tools for tracking income and expenses. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install PayPal Business Tools for tracking income and expenses, start by visiting the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal business account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section located in the top menu. Click on All Tools to view the available options. Next, look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. In the Reports section, you will find various tools for tracking your transactions. Select Transaction Detail Report to access a detailed view of your income and expenses. To customize your report, choose the date range you wish to analyze. You can also filter by transaction type, such as payments received or refunds issued. After setting your preferences, click on the Create Report button. Once the report is generated, you can review, download, or print it for further analysis. To track your ongoing income and expenses more efficiently, consider using the PayPal accounting integration. For integration, return to the Tools section and select Business Setup. Look for integration options available for accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero. Follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account with your chosen software. Once connected, you can automatically sync your transactions for streamlined tracking. To make the most of these tools, regularly check your reports. Assess your financial health by reviewing income versus expenses. Keep your reports updated to ensure accurate financial tracking. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your finances through PayPal Business Tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.